right, back to coronavirus. Many states are seeing a spike in the virus as things slowly start to reopen. But so far, Maryland is not one of them. The key numbers we are watching are flat or dropping. Despite that, though, the state health department is expressing some concerns as more of the state reopens. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live for us in Fells Point, and he's explaining it all. Hey, Mike.
Hi, Nicole. Stage 2 that we're in right now is the longest. It could last months, and state health officials say as more people are out and about, it makes testing and contact tracing even more important. Maryland has not seen the spike in coronavirus cases like other places. More than 20 states are watching positive numbers rise dramatically this month. At least 10 are at their highest ever. As Maryland expands its reopening, allowing indoor dining, gambling, and gyms to open again, Dr. Clifford Mitchell with the Maryland Department of Health tells WJZ he's keeping a close eye on the numbers.
As people are out more and more and interacting, the opportunities for infection do increase.
He says there are no plans to close down any of the surge hospitals yet in case of a second wave.
There is the possibility, if things don't go well, that we would be in a position where we would need that capacity.
Recent large protests have not led to any spike in cases in Maryland.
Generally speaking, as you know, it takes more than a week, sometimes a couple of weeks, to start to see any impact.
The state is also trying to trace contacts, which could be more difficult as people travel more.
Some families have chosen to stay home and they're just around a few people. Others, as they start going out, could be around hundreds. And then contact tracing gets very difficult.
A new walk-in testing site opened in Lansdowne. It's Mondays only, and Baltimore County officials say while appointments are recommended, no one will be turned away. It's one of many new testing sites around the state.
We do encourage people who are in situations where they're getting out and about more, or if they have traveled and they're concerned that they might have been exposed, or certainly if they're having any symptoms, they should definitely get themselves tested.
And over the past 24 hours, we saw 6 fewer hospitalizations and 8 more deaths. Reporting live in Fells Point, Mike Helgren, WJZ.